are back, and we are back with what?
Another challenge. Let's get to it. Let's get into this bad boy. We are really excited about this because for one, I starved her all day. So, yeah, let's
No
eat.
mishaps today. And in case you didn't realize by the title of what we are doing,
We are getting it in with the 100 Nugget Challenge.
dun dun dun.
It definitely needs a dramatic sting because it's a lot more nuggets when you think about it. I'm ready though. I'm hungry.
100 nuggets. We're all right with this one because it's nothing spicy.
No heat today.
No heat
Just
today.
temperature. That's it. No
I think
spice.
we ruined our stomachs last time.
I don't think I'll ever want to see spicy things again.
No.
I mean, if y'all want to see another spicy challenge, I will take it
No.
upon myself to probably do it months down the line.
But this is going to be a challenge. 100 nuggets. I haven't seen anyone finish yet, but we're going to attempt
We
today.
gonna give it a try.
We're going to try today.
I'm
We're going to be
ready.
some troopers too.
We
So,
definitely
we have our nuggets, and of course we have dip.
dippage,
We have our dippage. I've
And
got
so
my
we-
ranch and my honey mustard.
so we don't choke. Got plenty to drink.
Plenty of water. All right.
We gonna
so,
get it in. We don't really have
Whenever time, I've noticed that most people haven't had it timed.
because that's scary.
Because,
I ain't
you
trying
know,
to
I'm
choke.
not
I'm
gonna
trying
choke.
to do it.
No.
You know.
No.
So let's get it in.
So we're gonna try to see if we can.
So let's see if we can. All right. So again, who you with? Let's get it, Vibe Squad. Let's go.
All right.
All right, baby. For you. Always gotta go a little natural first.
Mommy. This is not McDonald's.
Cause it's terrifying to eat that many McDonald's nuggets.
I can't do it. But I can definitely do my own.
Mm-hmm. All
I
right.
am gonna keep track of see how long. You know,
Yeah. For our knowledge. For yours too.
just see how long it takes if we tap out.
If. As long as I got dippage, I think I'm good.
And water.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I'm stuffing myself.
A little bit.
Alright.
That's my point. I'm trying to keep a brisk pace, but I'm still rushing. I think I need to slow it down a little bit. I'm taking a break. Y'all done lost count.
So,
Crummy.
my man.
Good. All oven baked, by the way. You ain't got time to have that many fried things
Yeah,
on
no.
my body.
Mm-mm.
Can't see the bottom of this tray yet. That's the problem for me.
I didn't keep track of how many I ate.
I stopped trying to count. I feel like that would discourage you.
Yeah.
We know how many we had, and we know what we're trying to get to. I stopped trying to count.
What's our goal if we don't get 100?
Nick, I want to knock it down at least half.
50?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Key to our marriage, when she does the happy dance, that means she's completely happy and not hungry.
They like to say I get hangry. I don't.
She lied. But y'all getting tired. Making space in this bad boy.
It's in the bottom somewhere. Until we do this.
You just ruined it all. All hopes and dreams shattered.
You upset?
This much. A little bit.
It's like I see the wall now.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't hit it yet, but I see it.
That's our progress. Can't really see it, but we
Oh,
trying.
it's chewing.
We trying. Woo! Our sleep out is so dang hard.
Very hard. It don't seem like it should be. It's kind of hard.
It's like I need to get burped. Like if I had a soda.
Alright. Laptop on the wall.
I don't know how much more I can do. So before I throw all this up,
I think we
I'm throwing the towel.
Whew.
My God, boy.
My goodness. We should at least do let's see. Let's count. 22 and 24, 38, 40,
Lord.
42, 50, 52. Ooh,
So
we
we ate
almost.
48. Nah, hold up, man. We ate 48.
Nice.
We're gonna eat at least.
So, we ate 50 nuggets.
We eat 52.
52 nuggets. No.
Not a two-person job.
No. I don't understand anyone who would try to do this by themselves.
That's a dangerous person.
So,
This is what we got. We tried, Vibe Squad. We tried hard, and I nope, ain't got it. Just ain't got it.
it was a valiant effort.
Got over half. Got something, right? Ooh. Ooh.
Alright, Vibe Squad, so if you like this challenge,
And you want more challenges that come just like it?
hit the link below. Press that like button. Let's get this video to at least 1,000 likes.
That's a good goal. I want that. You know you want to give us that.
It was 1,000. I think we deserved it. We get halfway through 100.
Exactly. So, and definitely, once you hit that like button, make sure to hit it hard. Hit that subscribe. Follow us so you can always be informed of whenever we have a new video. You know, that little bell in the corner, go ahead and click that. Get alerts about us. Trust me, we got more stuff coming. And all our links to all our social media are in the description. Hit us up, follow us. We post things often. I'm always on Twitter. I'm on Facebook quite often, and I'm gonna start updating my blog a lot more. Just hit us up, follow us. We want to vibe with you. That's what it means to be part of the Vibe Squad.
We want you to be part of the squad. We want you to be on this journey with us. And we look forward to many, many more videos that we have to come.
Definitely. So we'll catch you next time, all right?